Hello, hello, hello. Thank you very much. Again, I did find a better screwdriver. Though it's funny, it was one of those multi-bit ones, and it's old. But it doesn't tighten enough, but it did enough for me to get the screws out. Of the 4 screws, I guess 2 of them were pretty easy. 2 of them were quite difficult, but they're out. So, let's see what I can do here. There should be, this is the first time this has probably been open, maybe ever. I don't know if this guy did anything to it, or ever had anything added to it. It's coming. Oh, there should be, oh yeah. I don't think it's ever been. I'm just going to try to get, no, I can't get, sorry, let's just have a look for a second. It looks quite dandy. I just can't get the little arm to come out. It's been in there for so long that I just can't get it loose. Maybe I will stop recording and twist it around, open it up, and see what it is that I can see to get that loose so we can have a better, closer look inside. And then we can maybe turn it on. It's funny, there are a few people who are walking by and they're very inquisitive about what is that thing? What could it possibly be? I did talk to some people, they were like, oh, and this fellow who obviously looks older than I, when I told him it was from 1977, he said, oh yeah, not as, oh, I'm younger than that. Alright, so there, we've seen a quick look inside, but I do want to try and get a much better look. And then I'll turn it on. But I got to get that arm working. And I think I've got to do some gymnastics to make that happen. It's the arm, kind of like in a car, it's a very beautiful, magical thing. It's just, the thing has been probably, there's no marks on it. I don't think it's been moved since it came out of the factory. So it's mighty used to being there. And I will be gentle. So stay tuned. We'll have a closer look inside of this original 8K Commodore PET. Bye for now.